Hola, Googlers! Welcome to your daily Google News. Google rolled out dynamic image extensions. I don't know when they rolled this out, actually. It's newish. I could figure it out on Google, but I'm going to be lazy. I'll include a link to the description in the video. Basically, Google's going to crawl your page, capture images on your behalf, and then add them as image extensions. And I love that the benefits. Driving measurable performance for your marketing objective. Ease of use and control. You mean control by Google? Here's what's funny is they suck. They suck. So under ads and extensions, you'll find extensions, and then you can choose to opt in. If you don't see dynamic image extensions, there are some requirements. I forget what they are. Good history of compliance, kind of like all the same requirements that Google always has. And when you opt in for dynamic image extensions, you'll see this, which I'm so sorry that most of this page is going to be blurred because I can't give away all my clients' information, obviously. So hopefully we're able to distill some value here. The problem with it is Google just pulled everything. It pulled all the images, and these images, they're not good. So I don't see the use case here, to be honest with you, for most advertisers. Now, there's obviously going to be the exception. I think it's going to be industry specific, but you'll notice that we had to remove a ton of these, and the ones that we didn't have to remove, like I just don't know. I honestly don't know how effective they're going to be. I guess I can tell you. Cost per conversion is $76. That's not horrible for this client. 24, 23. So I don't know. I understand what Google is doing. Extensions are so critically important to campaign success. The ability to expand your real estate and then do so with an image. The use of image extensions, I think, is awesome. The fact that they gave it to us is great. The dynamic inclusion of images, because who's to say that the image that's on the page is applicable to the copy that you have, the narrative? Like that's it's good. It heralds back to like AI copywriting, which I realize is getting really, 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 really good, by the way. But this is like. This is from the days before it was good. You can't just take an image from my page, throw it on the ad, and be like, da-da. So I would just be careful. It's nothing I'm really super excited about. I'm shooting a video on it because it's a topic that you need to know about, obviously. If and when it gets better, and I think the necessity behind it getting better would be Google actually figuring out a way to match images to narrative. And we know that Google can see, right? I forgot what it was. Google purchased, I think it was 2 different organizations that were solely based on computerized optical identification of stuff. So, if you say bottle in your ad and then Google sees a picture of a bottle on the page, if Google can grab that picture and put it in the ad, that would start to make sense to me. That and the fact that Google also, where it might even be better, is when Google begins to understand what's working en masse from a hierarchical perspective and can apply that logic to your images. So, for instance, there's 15 images on your page, and Google's like, all right, we know that these colors, these tones, these shapes, these sizes, these people, these whatever tend to work the best, and this image works, aligns with, has a 76% alignment with what our knowledge graph tells us about your particular avatar. That's 3-dimensional thinking right now, right? That's not just what image works the best totally, it's what image works the best in this particular context for this offer for this person. And then takes that image and applies it. That would be cool. That's not what they're doing here. They're taking just, grabbing your pictures, uploading them, and you should be using image extensions for sure. You should be using all the extensions till you're blue in the face. The dynamic thing, man, I think that was just engineers with time on their hands. No offense to whoever built this. So, I don't know. I'd love for you to disagree with me, by the way. I'd love for you to disagree with me. So if somebody out there's like, no, dude, you're missing the point because, please help me. That'd be awesome. And hit me in the comments. Other than that, like, comment, subscribe to all the things. I'll see you tomorrow.